Have you ever wondered how your favorite store just seems to know exactly what you need right when you need it? Or on the flip side, how they sometimes get it so wrong? For decades, businesses have been playing this high-stakes guessing game, trying to predict the future. But what if they didn't have to guess anymore? Well, that's where AI is stepping in, and it's turning all that guesswork into an actual science. So let's dive in and see how.
Here's what we've got on tap. We're going to start with the classic forecasting guessing game that everyone plays. Then, we'll look at why the old way is just full of flaws. After that, we'll get to the good stuff, the new way, using AI's brain. We'll even put AI to the test with some real numbers, talk about why everyone isn't doing this yet, and finally take a little peek into the future of, well, knowing.
All right, let's kick things off with a problem that affects pretty much every business out there, and honestly, our daily lives too. This whole forecasting guessing game.
Seriously, think about it for a second. You go to the store, you're craving that one specific snack, and the shelf is totally empty. Or you walk past a shop in July, and there's a huge rack of puffy winter coats on sale. These are perfect real-world examples of forecasting gone wrong. It's a super delicate balancing act, and when it tips one way or the other, we all feel it.
So, what even is forecasting at its core? Well, it's basically just using the past to try and predict the future. Traditionally, this has been like trying to drive down a super foggy road by only looking in your rearview mirror. You're working with limited information, right? Just hoping you can spot a pattern that'll guide you forward.
And the stakes for getting it wrong? They are huge. If you predict too high, you are literally drowning in excess stock. That's money, space, and products just going to waste. But if you predict too low, you're looking at empty shelves, which means lost sales and, even worse, unhappy customers who might just decide to shop somewhere else next time. It's a really high-stakes tightrope walk.
Okay, so let's take a closer look at that old way of doing things and really get why it's just not cutting it in today's crazy, fast-paced world.
The traditional approach is all about being reactive, not proactive. Everything you see here, demand forecasting, inventory, scheduling, even quality checks, it's all based on what's already happened. We're talking historical averages, manual reviews, static plans. It's that rear-view mirror problem all over again. You're trying to drive forward while only looking backward.
But what if you could swap out that tiny rear-view mirror for, say, a super advanced GPS navigation system? That's the power of AI. It gives us a much clearer view of the road ahead, helping us see the twists and turns before we even get there. Just look at the shift in the language here. On the left, it's all static and manual. On the right, it's dynamic and automated. AI isn't just looking at what you sold last year. It's making dynamic predictions in real time. It's automating inventory and allocating resources intelligently. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a complete game changer for the whole process.
Okay, so this brings up a really important question, right? What is AI actually seeing that we're missing? Because it's not just about crunching the same numbers faster. It's about processing a whole universe of data that would be completely impossible for any human team to handle.
Think of it like this. An AI model is on a completely different data diet. It's not just eating past sales figures. It's analyzing everything. Upcoming marketing campaigns, the weather forecast, what's trending on social media, even broad economic indicators. It connects all these seemingly unrelated dots to find these incredibly complex patterns that are basically invisible to the human eye.
And it uses specialized tools for specific jobs. You can think of LSTM networks as the historians of the AI world. They're amazing at understanding time and sequences, which makes them perfect for predicting when a machine might need maintenance. Then you have convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. They're like the artists. They're experts in visual data, able to spot tiny defects on a production line that a person would miss every single time.
Now, all of this sounds pretty impressive in theory, but what about the real world? Let's get into the numbers, because this is where the story gets really compelling.
So one of the biggest wins is in managing inventory. Studies are showing that using machine learning for demand forecasting can slash excess inventory by up to 20%. That's a massive reduction in waste and a huge direct boost to a company's bottom line.
And it's not just about what's on the shelves. Look at what this does on the factory floor. In this example, AI-powered predictive maintenance took monthly machine downtime from a really costly 16 hours all the way down to just 4. That is a gigantic gain in productivity and way fewer disruptions.
This really represents a fundamental shift in how we think about maintenance. We're moving away from a reactive mindset, waiting for something to break and then fixing it, to a truly predictive one. AI looks at all the data to forecast failures before they happen. It lets you fix what's about to break, not what's already broken. Now, with results like these, you have to wonder, why hasn't every single company on the planet adopted this technology yet? It seems like a no-brainer, right?
Well, the truth is, the path to AI is filled with obstacles. The biggest one, a lot of the time, is the data itself. It can be a tangled mess, spread out across different old systems, and just not ready for an AI model. Then you've got the hefty price tag, the challenge of finding people who actually have the right skills, and the absolute headache of getting these new AI systems to talk to old, legacy equipment.
And on top of all those practical problems, there's a big issue of trust. As this quote points out, a lot of these advanced AI models can feel like a black box. Data goes in, an answer comes out, but it's not always clear how the AI got to that conclusion. And that lack of transparency can make it really hard for people to fully trust and embrace the technology.
But you know, technology never, ever stands still. The next wave of innovation is already here, and it's focused on solving these exact problems, making AI more accessible, more transparent, and more secure than it's ever been.
These emerging technologies are tackling the challenges head-on. You've got something called explainable AI, or XAI, whose whole job is to crack open that black box and show you the why behind an AI's decisions, which is crucial for building trust. Things like blockchain can create secure, tamper-proof data trails, and federated learning even allows AI models to learn from multiple companies without anyone ever having to share their sensitive data.
So we come back to this one really powerful idea. We started this whole conversation with a guessing game, but we are clearly moving towards a future of knowing. What would it actually mean for the products we buy, the services we use, and just the efficiency of the entire world around us if businesses truly never had to guess again?
The potential is absolutely staggering, and believe me, we are just scratching the surface of this journey. To keep exploring how AI is reshaping our world, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for joining us today.